Hello all. This presentation is going to show you how to manipulate the various slides within a presentation. Copying, deleting, hiding, inserting a hyperlink. Okay, if you want to change the order of the slides, you can always drag the various slides up and down the thumbnail. But a better way to, when you want to move slides around, is to switch to slide sorter view. So we're going to go ahead and slide sorter view, and you can see that we have a whole lot more, you can see a lot more slides in this type of view. So let's say I want to take slide 6 here, and I'm going to want to insert it between 2 and 3. All you need to do is select slide 6, click copy, and you can see you can move it right up there. It slides all the other slides to the right and down. If we want to hide a slide, let's say we don't want slide 8. It has slide 8 deals with cost. So you want this included in your presentation, but for some presenters, you don't want them to know the actual, some information, financial information. So all you need to do is find the thumbnail for it over on your thumbnail pane and right click and just say hide the slide. Now you can see that it has a different view, and the number 9 slide is crossed out. That doesn't mean it's been deleted, it just means it has been hidden. So if we were to run this presentation and we went from slide 8, it would immediately go to slide 10. Again, to unhide it, you just right click on it and choose hide again, and it will unhide the slide. Let's say we want to copy a slide. So I want to choose copy slide 9 and place it so it's right after slide 2. I'm going to select slide 9. I can right click and say duplicate slide, or you can go home and choose copy. Okay, or you can go Control C. Now you select the slide you want to paste it below, and now I can just paste, and you can see that that slide has been copied from slide 8 and is now also slide 3. Okay. Lastly, let's do a hyperlink. So let's come down to slide 8. Okay, and I'm going to place my cursor. Let's see here. Maybe it's slide 7. Let's just come here, and I'm going to click here on slide 8, and I want to insert a hyperlink. So I'm going to go up to my insert ribbon and choose hyperlink. And now we're going to link it to a place within this document. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to a completely different slide altogether. And I'm just going to go down here to slide 12. Okay, and I'm going to say up here, the text to be that I want displayed is say, see our purchase plans. Okay, and go ahead and click OK. And you can see that we have see our purchase plans. We probably need a space there. All right. And now if I run the slide, I'm going to switch to presentation mode, and I click my hyperlink, I instantly go to that slide instead of advancing to the following slide. And that's just manipulating some slides and adding a hyperlink.